sezvo from our working panapa tine less than or equal to, so it's supposed to be less than or equal to, less than or equal to panapa less than or equal to. So this answer here which not the one that we did obtain from this section. Tava apa takuchi represent out this part on a number line now. Inequality yedu takuchiisa pa number line. Saka pa number line pedu the working principle is the same. So kanta draw a number line, tungo draw the number line here this inequality. Tikutanga na -2. So pana ponongo ya kuongeza -2 uchigumira pana 3 uchungesa 3 pakati pachona pana ponogona kusako 0 but azvinazo basa. Sezvo tiri kudhila na x saka unobva x like this. Wapedza kudaro -2 anditika uri kuti -2 less than x, saka hapana kunzi less than or equal to. Kana pangonzi less than x kana kuti greater than x, pamusoro pa -2 pacho unongoisa kaseko kanenge kasiri shaded. Then toya pa this section ish yakanzi x less than or equal to 3, meaning kuti pamusoro pa 3 panapa ndipo unoisa a shaded circle like this one. Then you have to join these 2 points to join the inequalities. That is how you are supposed to represent your number line. Saka panapa ndosaka tiri kuona paine this type of an answer yakaratidzwa on this section.